Thursday, June 30th. I'm buying some BABA 115 puts at 314. You can see here, this is the 1 minute chart. It gapped down today. It kind of came down a little bit, rallied, and then as it started down right around here, I bought the put. So I'm looking for lows of the day to take it out, and I'll show you some, bought the put somewhere right around here. As price is continuing lower right now. Let's see, yeah, I mean, I bought the options at 314. They're up to 340, so they're starting to move up. And there, we're taking out the low of the day as anticipated. We're heading lower. As I look at the daily chart, this is kind of a stock that moved to the top of its range recently. You can see that on the daily chart. And then we're coming down here for the third day in a row on the week. And it's a weekly failure to the upside near the top of the range where we took out the high of previous week, couldn't quite reach its target, and now we're starting down. If we can get to the halfway point of this week, we could be heading all the way down here to the lows of the prior week, which is the 103 area. And I like the 15-minute start, the way we kind of gapped down, had a little attempt to just hold in that area, but then it was in the middle of this range where I saw the weakness settling in with some downside targets, so I bought the puts, and now you can see prices heading much lower. Again, this is the 1 minute chart heading lower here. I'm going to follow the 15-minute chart, looking for, just red down, orderly pause, and another move. And again, the options now, they're up to 350. I bought those at 314. So, moving nicely. So again, there are targets below. I'm trying to think of the, let me see on the hourly chart if there's an immediate target coming up. It's this area right here, the blue line. That's kind of the one, call it the 108 area. That's kind of where the next target is as we break down. So there's definitely room to move lower here on the hourly chart. We'll just see what kind of a weekday we get today. And again, the 15-minute chart really moving nicely lower here after that put buy at the blue line. And final check, yeah, the options are now asking 370. So, moving up nicely, getting to the point where we can set up an no-risk trade, and looks good for BABA. We'll see how much lower it wants to go today.